everyone, Minnie's Handbags here, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here or a returning viewer and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. It's absolutely free to you. And to all my returning subscribers, welcome back to another Michael Kors unboxing, guys. I am super excited about this particular unboxing, guys. I have been waiting on this bag for a little minute and it has finally arrived. Now I am going to be doing a lot of recording the next couple of days, so I'm not sure if this particular unboxing is going to air this week or next week. I do know that this particular bag that I'm going to share with you guys today will be on what I'm hoping will be a new series for me called What's Hot. So I will be talking about this bag in that particular video as well too, so I'm not sure which one of those is going to air first. But y'all, before we get into the unboxing, I want to show y'all the box that it came in. Y'all, why? I don't know what they had sitting on top of my box, but this came from UPS, or UPS delivered it, I should say. I don't know what was sitting on top of my bag. I am so scared to open this bag right now, y'all. So y'all just pray for me that my bag is not damaged in any form or fashion. But I'm glad that I'm recording it so that if I have any issues with customer service, I'm gonna be like, you need me to send you the video? Or better yet, just go on my YouTube channel and watch the video. Okay, so today is Monday, I believe, August the 18th, if I'm not mistaken. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up and hope that nothing is wrong with my bag. I don't know which side is the front or back, so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and try and open this bag up and free. All right, because I think I have it upside down. All right, so it does have bubble wrap in here, so let's hope it's okay. This is a really large bag. Okay. All right. There we go. And this is the name on the bag. Hopefully it's not upside down. But it is none other than the beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Nolita from Michael Kors. This is in their Nubuck leather in the color Safari Green. Y'all, this bag is stunning, just like it was in the store. It is gorgeous. And I'm just gonna look over the bag really quickly because I do want to make sure that it's not damaged anywhere on the bag. But yeah, okay, so far so good, y'all. I don't see any damage on the bag. Okay, but it is in the color Safari Green. And this color is just absolutely gorgeous. This is definitely a fall winter color. And if you've been watching me for a while, you guys already know that I wear my bag according to the season. So I do have fall winter bags according to the colors, and then I wear all my really bright colors for the spring and summer. So my darker color bags I tend to wear for the fall and winter, and this is definitely going to be a fall winter carry for me. I could definitely see me wearing a really cute sweater, a pair of jeans, and some boots with this. This is just absolutely gorgeous. I love the size of this bag. So I want to go ahead and just do a quick spin around of the bag. It doesn't have any outside pockets, but I do love the trim that's on the bag. It does go all the way around. This bag does not have any feet on the bottom, but it does have a leather shoulder strap that is adjustable on both sides. It does have the Michael Kors detailing on the buckle as well too. I love the attention to detail that Michael Kors pays to their bags, and it does have it on this side as well too of the buckle. So it does say Michael Kors there as well too. And this is a magnetic closure, so you guys can hear that. All the hardware on the bag is in gold. And I will pop the measurements of the bag up on the screen for you guys so that you can see the measurements of the bag. This is a large bag, guys. Now, I will say Michael Kors did bring the Nolita out in 2 additional sizes. So they do have a medium and a small in this bag. And if you're not one for the Nubuck leather, I'm going to tell you guys, Michael Kors finally brought it out in their signature canvas, as well as in a pebbled leather. So if the Nubuck is not your cup of tea, don't worry, because they do have it in the signature and they do have it in pebble green as well too, guys. Now this bag still is available. If it is still available in this color, I will make sure to leave a link down below for you guys. And the colors that are still available, whether it's on sale or not, I will make sure to leave a link down below if you want to pick this bag up. This bag is just absolutely gorgeous, y'all. It does say Michael Kors down here at the bottom as well too. Okay. And let's take a peek in the interior of the bag. Now, the inside of the bag, hopefully you guys will be able to see the material for the inside of this bag, but it's more like a burlap like material for the inside of the bag. And it is in like a really nice light, what is this? Like a light tan color. So hopefully you guys can see that. So yeah, I was surprised by that when I saw this in store, with the interior for the material in the inside. And then my little thing that beeps is in there. Of course, it comes with the care instructions and the tag for the bag as well. Yeah, I was reading that backwards. I was like, what? Okay, yeah, so this is for the Nolita. Now, this bag does come with a back pocket as well, and that is the only organization that's in here. If I can open it so you guys can see it. All right, there goes that slip pocket in the back right there. And that's a nice size slip pocket as well. So can I put my phone back there? Let me see. Because I do have the case for my phone right here. And does it slide in there? Yes. So it does fit in there. I will show you guys. So it is in that back pocket. And sorry about that, guys, but my dog is barking. Somebody is outside walking their dog and she's barking. So sorry if you guys hear that. But yeah, my Samsung Note 10 fits comfortably in that little slip pocket in the back. So FYI, if you have a Samsung Note 10, it will fit inside of that back pocket, and that is with the case, guys. Okay, but yeah, I am loving the way this Nolita is looking right now, y'all. Let me move my chair out the way. Hopefully you guys can see that. Yeah, I love the way this Nolita looks on me. It looks so good. Y'all, I am so excited, y'all. So excited to finally have this bag in my collection. Like I said, this bag did finally go on sale. This would be a great bag for the fall and winter. Now, I will be treating my bag before I wear it, because my girl Mono's Beauty, she did share her bag. She has it in navy, and she actually spilled something on it and she had to clean it. Now, she did say it came out, but I probably will treat my bag before I actually wear it, so that I won't have hopefully any of those issues with my bag, guys. All right, y'all, so if you stuck with your girl thus far, please make sure to like this video, share, comment. Let me know down below, do you have a Nolita in your collection? And if you do, what color do you have? And until the next time, please make sure to stay focused and determined on achieving your goals for the day. And I will see you lovelies in my next video. Bye.